Okay, so this is a sphere. Okay, just a sphere. So even if the ball was like this shape here wouldn't change. Okay, so even if you to tilt it, the shape of the water itself is not going to change. That's something that's very important detail in this question. The depth is 7, so this is 7. So we want to, right, tip it in a certain way so that the water, this part of the water comes to the edge of the bowl. Okay, exact same shape as these. Okay, so we know whether it's like this, or like this width is equal. Okay, so let's consider like this. We know this is 30, which means that right there is 15. Okay, this is 15. So let's label this to be x. Okay, and we know this is 7. So then this right here is 23. Okay, 23. But we know this is the radius. Okay, from the center, this is the radius. Okay. So this is equal to 15, meaning x squared plus 23 squared is equal to, 23, this is not 23. Right, this whole thing is 30, so this is 15 minus 7, which is 8. Right, 8 has to equal to 15 squared. So we get 8x squared is equal to 15 squared minus 8 squared. This is a differences of square. 15 minus 8 and 15 plus 8. So you get 7 times by 23. It's not a nice number. So what is that? 140 plus 21, that's 161. Okay, root of 161. So this is now root of 2. That was x, right? So it's 2 root of 161. Okay. This diagram here is this diagram. See this extra leg I've drawn here? That radius? That radius, right, is forming, it's perpendicular to the tangent. Okay. So it's basically this part here, right, is being tangent to the ground. That's how much we need to tilt, right, so that the water goes right to the edge there. Okay. So really we can see that this rotated from here to here. So that's the rotation. That's the angle theta, which means it's this one right here. Okay. And you can see that cosine of that theta will equal to this, which we know is 8 over 15. Actually, I don't think we even need the actual length. We didn't need the x, because from here we can actually find the angle. Cosine now inverse of 8 over 15. Okay, so that's 57.8. This is 57.8. Now, if they're really asking for this angle here, the rim, and what angle does it form with the horizontal? But if, let's say this is theta, and let's say this is 90 minus theta, then clearly this is also theta. So this is the angle that it formed, the rim forms with the horizontal.